I'm Shannon Scott, and welcome to Military Witnesses to UAP. Well, a lot has happened since the last time I made a video, and where do I start? I'll start by letting you guys know that I went on a lovely vacation to Fort Wilderness at Disney World, Orlando, Florida. Had a great time there, took a lot of wonderful pictures. Unfortunately, I overdid it again, and I was hospitalized again at Mayo Clinic, and I was put into the at-home intensive care hospitalization for a while. And as of yesterday, I was released from that program. So I've been discharged, and I'm feeling a lot better. And I've got a lot of catching up to do. So here we go. A few weeks ago, Dave Beatty from the Nimitz Encounter YouTube channel came out with a story. Actually, he's now come out with several of them, of sailors saying they saw a UAP above the USS Ronald Reagan years ago. And as I was looking at that story, it come to my attention that the UAP that was described was the same description of the UAP above the USS John F. Kennedy in 1971 that I did a interview on a sailor about that some time ago. Contacted Dave Beatty about it and let him know about that connection. So that's worth mentioning. And I'm happy to announce a new addition to our family. A week ago today, we picked up Blue, our new German Shepherd puppy. He's my second dog I've ever owned, and I couldn't be happier. Rest assured, I'll be sharing a lot of pictures and videos of Blue and the days and weeks and months to come. And I have an update on the UAP crash in Peru. So a good friend of mine, Rob Heatherly, sent me some documents that were very interesting that may have something to do with the UAP crash in Peru. I'll leave a link in the description below if anybody's interested in reading these documents. I've already been over it once. I'm going to do a deeper dive into those documents, but they're very interesting. It has to do with some Department of Energy folks and not having much oversight, and they were kind of doing their own things, Jason Bourne stuff. So very interesting. I'll do a deeper dive in it later. I'll just leave that in the description below. And until then, I will continue the video with Blue because he's more interesting than I am. So until then, take care. Now this is funny. Wait for it. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Until then, take care, folks.